guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, for those of you here for the very first time. Today I will be taking a tour or showing you my front porch and how I decorated it for Halloween. I have my fall front porch tour. I will link it down below, but now I am changing it up for Halloween. I live in Canada, so my fall front porch included Thanksgiving, and this one will be strictly Halloween. So without further ado, come along. So here it is, all decorated. I'm just going to move back so you can get a better look. I've got a scarecrow right in here, which at this time looks really nice with the leaves. That plant is called tiger eyes, because I know some of you will ask. You can check it out how it looks every season, because I do pretty much a porch every season video. And then I have just over here, it says welcome to our patch, which is kept over from the fall. Then I just have a cute little rat down here, some real pumpkins, and my mom's that came from Costco that have been here for the fall. And then I have a jack-o'-lantern that came a while ago, like before my husband and I even moved in together, which was a really long time ago, but it still works. And then another pumpkin. I moved the chair over here. That's a DIY. I can link it down below. And then this is my little corner that I love. So this branch came from the garden, and I just took a pot and I got these witch legs from Dollarama. And I had taken them apart and stuck them over a branch and stuck them in the dirt together with this large branch. And then I just added bats. Those are craft foam bats from Dollarama. I hope you enjoyed this short video of my Halloween front porch tour. Hope you guys have a happy Halloween. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.